Welcome to Hagee Village. This installment we are in Vocabville, and I have a few questions for you from Vocabville. What I'd like you to do, the questions that I'm about to ask, I would like you to answer in complete sentences and then turn this in to me for your credit, for your assignment, okay? The first question is, if you had the power to declare a new national holiday, what would it be and why? So if you had the power to declare a new national holiday, what would it be and why? Of course, the vocabulary word would be declare. Number 2, what's the difference between commend and recommend? Number 2, what's the difference between commend and recommend? Commend, of course, being the vocabulary word from this week. Number 3, what could a movie called A Cat with a Knack be about? What could a movie called A Cat with a Knack be about? The focus on that question would be the vocabulary word knack. And then number 5, how could the word stay relate to stationary? Number 5, how could the word stay relate to the word stationary? These are your questions for this week, the out-of-the-box questions that I want you to think about, and when you are done with them, I want you to turn them back into me. If you have any questions about any of these, you can write a comment right below, and I will be sure to look at it and respond. Make sure you keep checking back. In this quick video, I want you to take a look at the words behind me and the relationships that they have. Now, we've done this in class before. What I want you to do is I want you to put a squiggly line to the antonyms and a straight line to the synonyms. First, I'm going to show you the words, and this is part of Vocabularyville, Unit 11. Here we have the word soothe, important, calm, plummet, flexibility, climb, vital, and then leeway. Take a look at the words for a few minutes and try your best to draw a squiggly line to the antonyms and a straight line to the synonyms. If we look at the word soothe, we know that soothe means to calm or comfort someone. Therefore, soothe and calm would be synonyms. When we look at the word plummet, we know that plummet means to go straight down. Climb would mean to go up. So therefore, these two words are antonyms. We know that if something is vital, then it is very important for us to have, like water or food. Therefore, important and vital would be synonyms. And then last but not least, we know that leeway means to give time, to give an extra time to do something. So therefore, if you give leeway, then you would be a very flexible person. Therefore, those are synonyms. We're back in Vocabville taking a look at the second example worth of words from Unit 11, Get Your Word Up. So take a look at the words on the board here. We've got blunder, packed in, transport, arid, carry away, compact, mix up, and wet. What I would like you to do is I'd like you to draw a line to the synonym and draw a squiggly line to the antonym. I'll give you a few seconds or a few minutes to take a look at the words and try to come up with them on your own. It's at this point in the video, if you would like to just write the words down and then press pause, you can do that as well. Okay, let's get started. We know that blunder means a careless mistake. So out of all of these words that we have, we know that if something is careless, that means we didn't really mean to do it. So therefore, careless mistake would go very well with a mix-up. I gave you a sentence that said Mr. Hagee made a blunder by giving his Core 2, Core 1's test. Therefore, that would be a mix-up. Let's go to arid. We know that arid means dry. If a place is arid, if a terrain is arid, then crops cannot cultivate and grow. Therefore, the opposite of arid would be wet. If we take a look at compact, compact means tightly packed in. So therefore, packed in and compact would be synonyms. And last but not least, we have transport and carry away. Transport means to move from one place to another, making carry away a synonym to transport.